What's up, online shoppers? Bad smells don't stand a chance whether you're on the road or at home with these Mist to Go travel toilet sprays. Now, these are nature-inspired scents that pack a powerful punch, but they don't leave you smelling the results of your bathroom efforts. Now, this is their mix with 5 different scents. You've got Fresh Linen, Dream, Blossom, Lavender, and Breeze. These are ultra potent bathroom sprays that work as air fresheners and have an excellent aroma that can cover even the most challenging smells. So don't worry about it. If you've got to go, at least take a Mist to Go with you and you will be okay. I love the size of these, and I ordered them so that when I'm traveling on my vacations, I can go to a restroom, go in the airplane, and not be worried that the person who comes in next to me is gonna know what I was up to. But the best part about this is they have so many different applications. You can use them for smelly trash cans, laundry baskets that stink, for diaper pails, for litter boxes, and they will work to help get rid of bad odors anywhere. These are made in the USA and they have fantastic quality. I order these on repeat, although truthfully, this package here lasts me about a year. I love the small compact size. I love the fact that I can tuck one in my purse or in my gym bag, and I love that they travel very well, whether it's airplane travel or just long road trips in a car. These Mist to Go travel sprays are awesome, and they are powerful enough to be up for the most demanding smell eliminating tasks, and definitely they're a family favorite at my house.